Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to attempt to solve this question. In the diagram, B, E, and D are points in the same horizontal plane. A, B, and C, D are the vertical poles. Steel cables A, E, and CE anchor the poles at E, which is this one. Another steel cable connects AC. We are given that CE is equals to 8.6 meter, BE is equals to 10 meter, angle AEB is equals to 40 degrees, angle AEC is equals to 70 degrees, and angle CED is equals to 27 degrees, right? So that is the information we are given. So now to solve the question, they say calculate. The first question, they want us to calculate the height of the pole CD, this one. So looking at the triangle CED and triangle AEB, those triangles are right triangle angles, so they have 90 degrees. So most of the time when you have 90 degrees and you are required to calculate the length or something, then you can always use what? SOHCAHTOA. We can always use SOHCAHTOA. What we call SOHCAHTOA. This is what we call SOHCAHTOA, right? So this simply means sine, cos, tan, right? Opposite, hypotenuse, adjacent, hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent, right? So that is the information that we're going to use to solve the first question when they want the height of the pole. So note that every time when you have 90 degrees and they want you to calculate the length, just use this. It can be sine, it can be cos, it can be tan, depending on what you are given. So let's go to the triangle that we are going to calculate. If you look at CD, this one here, if you look at that, you will notice that CD there, let me delete this. You'll notice that CD is into this triangle, the right triangle here with 90 degrees. So to solve this, we're just gonna say, okay, 7.1 is given by sine 27 degrees. Why sine? Why are we choosing sine? Remember, SOHCAHTOA. We have opposite, which is what we want, and hypothesis, which is what we are given. Hypotenuse, I meant to say. Hypotenuse, which is what we are given. Then we're gonna say CD, as we can see, it's opposite over hypotenuse, which is 8.6. Then we just cross multiply, then CD is equals to 8.6 sine 27 degrees, with therefore CD is equals to, if you put that in your calculator, you will get 3.90 meter. So that is the answer for that. So we can go there and actually write it that our CD is given by 3.9 in case we might need to use it in future. So let's go to 7.2. To calculate 7.2, they want the length. They want the length of cable AE. Cable AE, this length here, that's what they want, right? So we are given what? The adjacent, and the length, as you can see, it's the hypotenuse. Then according to the SOHCAHTOA, you can see we're going to use the cos, because we have adjacent, which we are given, and this is what we want, right? So we're just gonna go there and say, to get the length of cable A, we're gonna say cos, what is the angle given? The angle given there, it's 40 degrees, equals to, we said it's adjacent. Our adjacent side is 10 meter, divided by what we are looking for, which is what? We are looking for AE. Then it's going to be AE. Then you just cross multiply. AE is equals to, this one, when you cross multiply, you will have to divide. It will be 10 divided by cos 40 degrees, right? Therefore, AE is equals to, put that on your calculator, you'll find that is 13.05 meter. That is AE. That is AE. Let me remove this. I believe you got that. Then let's do the last question, which has like a bit of lot of marks. Then they are asking us to calculate the length of cable AC. Oh, before I do that, actually, let me find this first. This length is 13.05. 13.05. Let me not delete and just put it here. 7.3. 7.3. The length of cable AC. Looking at this, we have 13.05. That's what we have, right? 13.05. And we have 8.6. We want this length here. We don't know it. But already we can see that we have two side and an angle. So when you have two side and angle, you can use what we call, you cannot use a sine rule because we don't have another angle. We can only use a cosine rule. So that means it's going to be AC squared is equals to, this is the formula for that. Then we're going to have CE squared plus CE squared. CE is what we are given, and AE squared minus 2 CE AE. Move this a bit up. Move this here. Cos angle what? The angle we are given, it's angle AEC, right? So that's what we have. So you just have to substitute there and see what is CE. Let's check CE. CE is given by 8.6 squared plus AE. AE is given by what? 13.05 squared minus 2 into, you just repeat this, then put that 13.05 cos, what is this angle? This angle is 70 degrees, right? Then to finalize this, what we're gonna have, just put this in on your calculator. You're gonna get 167.49. Therefore you just have to put square root there, AC squared, put the square root there to remove this 2. Therefore AC is given by 12.94 meter. That's the answer, right? So for the first answer, guys, as you can see, that's what we have. That's what we have here is 3.90. Then we have this one here. Then here we have this. So that's the answer for everything. Thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe, as I will be sharing more questions. I will be solving a lot of questions with you. Thank you.